Kapernaum. Ito ang Kapernaum. Kapernaum o Kapernaum. Ayan.
Yeah. Just like modern times, they are the same.
Yeah.
So the only difference in this area is that the bench. The modern synagogue they use
They use
like
the
this.
new ones.
This they use on the other side.
Yeah.
So the rabbi was stand up in the middle for some sermons. So this is
Okay.
it. So the special thing about the synagogue, it is facing Jerusalem.
Jerusalem.
They made it purposely to just face the Jerusalem. This is
The most temple.
important. Yeah.
Kapernaum.
If you see the side,